Hi there, my name's Alex Humphries. I am the General Manager at Balgone Estate. Balgone is a 1,000-acre farm based up in East Lothian. We have a mixed arable and livestock farm at our core, followed with a whole load of diversifications that we've grown over the last 5 years. We have a cafe, a pumpkin patch, a sunflower field, and basically we obviously just try and tie everything in really nicely, use the likes of the pigs, the beef, and bring it into the cafe, into our events through street trading. So in this short episode, I'll just briefly mention how we do the pigs here, and yeah, I hope you enjoy. So here is where we weigh up our feed in the morning. So we have a mixture of the nuts and the rolls and the nuts for the pigs. Basically just portion them all up using the buckets, and then we have on the board here exactly what everyone's on. We are actually transitioning to making our own feed out of obviously all the wheat and barley and beans that you see over there. So here's our latest bunch, our latest bunch of piglets. They are about 4 weeks old now, just over. Obviously we're using the aardvark here, which is fantastic, really good in the winter. We try and we try to farrow it inside in the barns when we can, but yeah, usually we just use the aardvark just because they're a wee bit easier. The hatches are good. The only thing we've found is that the temperature thing down the bottom there, which controls the door, that can be a bit dodgy and it kind of goes. That's the only thing. Obviously it's time here, so got the gator, and then we got some hungry piggies down there, so you can see our aardvark right down the bottom there. So it goes all the way down the edge of the wood. We've used Clip X. I'm just trying to focus that. Yeah, we use Clip X, but we have found that it's great, but you still need the electric fences. So it's 6 and 2/3 really as to which way everyone goes down. So here we are down at the pig pens. As you can see here, we've built it in this woodland that stretches up there. We've got all our different pens down here, and they're just connected with these little gates, followed by obviously like sectioned off between boys and girls. We've got one of our aardvarks down that end, and we've got the other one down that end with some of the youngsters. And no, the system down here does work well. The only thing I would say is it is a bit boggy down here. Fortunately, we've had quite a dry winter, so dry autumn, I suppose, which has helped a huge amount. But basically, yeah, all the feed buckets, so we just have them colour coded so we know who's who when we load it up at the farm. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed that quick episode. If you ever got any questions, please let me know. We're always happy to help. I also have a small consultancy company aiming to help farms diversify, no matter how sort of big or small the project is. It's just working with you guys to speed you in that path and help with any pitfalls. The pigs are happy. Obviously this time of year, winter, it's starting to get a bit colder, but we've got a fair few farrowings coming up over the Christmas period, which should keep us nice and occupied. And then obviously going into spring, we have calving commencing, and then into summer again. So full circle here, but thank you.